Introducing the 2018 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van still has fewer than 30,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a blind spot monitoring system, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and power front seats. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.